We are witnessing the first ever time my cat does not know what to do.
Human.
Go away.
It's my cat.
No, it's not. Don't need to bitch slap your ugly face. Ew. What are you doing, Ninja?
Sticking your butt out.
Think about this, Ninja. Remember, gravity affects you. You might not like that, but it does. Come on, you stupid cat. Come on. Get down. Oh, what you doing? What are you doing?
Are
you trying to get yourself killed? Are you trying to get yourself killed like a stupid little retarded fucking cat? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, shit. Take this through, and then... She's like my little spider monkey. Yeah, she might jump from that.
Well, yeah, I can see how.
Down, not up. Down. She's smelling the tree. My arms hurt. Come on, cat, 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 cat. Come on. Ooh, a buggy. Come on.
Round 2.
Kitty, shut up.
Oh my god!
Yes, I caught that on tape. Shut up, you're ruining it. Buttons, smart moves. Smart moves, buttons. Go away, go away. They're scared by the ugly kitty. Go away. Settling into a cold standoff. The two cats wag their tails occasionally, not showing any signs of weakness or fluffiness.
What? No, come on, it's fluffy.
That's fur, not fluffy, stupid.
Same thing.
Actually, no.
They have fluffy fur.
They have soft fur. They don't have fluffy fur.
Oh, wait, let's do that.
Oh, this might not end too well. Oh, Button sees what's going on. Midge doesn't give a shit. Gonna kill his ass anyway. Shut the fuck up, Katie. This is my commentary. Seriously, there's like a little snake back there. It's just wandering on like a retard. Now you know what we call Buttons the retard. Buttons' nickname is my little retarded piece of shit. Oh, somebody's getting ready to get it on. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get some!
It's still on it.
Well, the two kitty cats chasing each other. Oh my god, there's a... The two kitty cats chased each other over there, so... Yeah. They do not understand what the words diplomacy are. Look at the pussycat. Look at that, the pussycat. Big black stupid retarded cat. And then there's the smarter one and the pitchy one, Ninja. Yep.
Master bitch master.
Bitch queen, Katie. Bitch queen. Alright.